Things are shifting, and they're shifting fast. Anti-Semitism isn't hiding anymore. It's coming from all directions, from the far right and from the far left. Two sides that agree on almost nothing, except one thing: hatred of the Jews. Israel has been at war on 7 fronts for nearly 2 years. At the same time, the Western world is losing its moral compass. Right is wrong, and wrong is right, and deep down, many of us feel it. We're not just watching history, we're living through a turning point. Chazal told us this would happen, that before Geula, the world would go through Chevlei Mashiach, the birth pangs of redemption. They described a time of confusion, of war, of fear, of instability. A world turned upside down, and the Jewish people standing in the middle, not sure which way to turn. This is not to punish us, but to wake us up, to strip away the illusions, and force us to focus on what's real. And here's the deeper truth. If you were born into this generation, you were born with the strength to carry its light. You were born to be here, not just to survive it, but to rise inside it, to bring Emunah and bitachon into this world instead of fear, and to be strong for those around you. So how do we stand strong? Our sages didn't just warn us about this time, they told us what to do. The Gemara says in Sanhedrin Daf Tzadik Ches, Shalu Talmidav es Rabbi Glaser, Ma yase Adam v'natzel mechevlei shel Mashiach. What should a person do to be saved from the birth pangs of Mashiach? Amar lehem, Yasik b'Torah b'gmilas chasadim. He should engage in Torah learning and acts of kindness. In Torah learning, specifically learning the depth of Torah, the Pnimius HaTorah, the Zohar says that in the schus of his Sefer, the Zohar, the Jews will come out of Galus. And with Gmilas Chasadim, it's so obvious our generation has widespread chesed going on. But on an individual level, we have to remember as well, there is so much out there to do. There's so much help people need. Be there for others. But there's another layer, not just how we live, but where we live. Because part of preparing for redemption is recognizing where the journey leads to. All signs, spiritual and physical, are pointing to the same direction. Eretz Yisrael. I know this is somehow a controversial topic, but it's clear that Sanhedrin, the way they were Masader Shemona Esrei, with Tekah b'shofar gadol l'chirusenu, Sanes l'kabetz galiyosenu, Geula will start first with Kibbutz Galiyos, with Yidden coming back, and only after that will be Hashiva Sheftenu, and the destruction of evil, V'lam al-shinim, and then V'li Yerushalayim Yirich Berachim Tashuv. We are almost at a majority of Yidden living in Eretz Yisrael. Kibbutz Galiyos is happening. Jump on the wave while things are still calm. So many Jews are waiting until fear forces them to move to Israel. But it would be wise to go before that moment comes. It could be that Trump returning to office is the last chance for American Jews to move to Israel with dignity. And in Europe, where Jewish communities are surrounded with Arabs and totally unprepared, who knows what will happen when the Arabs rise up in these countries? Chazal tell us that the West is going to fall in the final war, Gog Magog. There will be a war between the West and the Arabs, Bnei Ishmael and Bnei Esav. Why do you think Hashem is placing Bnei Ishmael in all the Esav countries in mass amounts? So don't wait till the gates close. Don't wait for the panic. And for those of us who are still in the United States, myself included, Hashem gave us tools to be prepared. We have the right in this country's constitution to protect ourselves. The Torah teaches us v'chai b'hem, v'nishmartem mo'ed lenafshei seichem. We have to do ishtadlus, and abala argacha ashkim la'argai. We have the right to bear arms in this country. And if you are someone who can be responsible with it, and you know that you can be safe with it, and you're a stable person, I think you have the responsibility to bear arms and be prepared. And I don't think that's against bitachon. I think that is well in the realm of ishtadlus. Being spiritually awake doesn't mean you can't be physically prepared. Our history has shown us what happens when we don't take warning signs seriously. I'm not telling you to walk around scared, but I'm telling you to not walk around blind. So don't wait for things to calm down. They're not supposed to. We're not in a collapse. We're in a transition. The world is shifting because something deeper is unfolding. So start with what's in front of you. One mitzvah, one moment of Torah, one honest step towards Eretz Yisrael, and a real move to protect yourself and your family. The Geula isn't a dream, it's a process, and we're in it. Now is the time to wake up and be strong, because Hashem is already moving. The only question is, will we move with Him? This is our time, not to fear it, but to rise inside it.